Hello guys, in this video we will see DirectX error driver internal error in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Update graphics. Drivers. Content that DirectX error driver internal error often indicates an issue with your graphics card. Driver begin by ensuring your drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, and or Intel. Navigate to their driver download section and download the latest stable driver package specifically designed for your model and operating system. Perform a clean installation of these drivers by selecting the Clean Install option during the setup process, if available, or by manually when installing previous drivers via the Windows Device Manager before installing the new ones. Step: verify Battlefield game files. Content corrupted or missing game files can lead to various errors, including graphics API issues. Use the game launcher's built-in file verification tool to check the integrity of your Battlefield installation for origin. Right-click Battlefield in your library. Select Repair or Verify Game Files for Steam. Right-click Battlefield in your library. Go to Properties, Local Files to verify integrity of game files. This process will scan your game directory and automatically download and replace any problematic files. Step: disable in-game overlays and background applications. Content software overlays from applications like Discord, Origin, Steam, GeForce Experience, or NVIDIA software can sometimes conflict with Battlefield and lead to driver errors. Temporarily disable all such in-game overlays. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications that consume significant system resources or might interfere with the game, such as web browsers, streaming software, or monitoring tools. Before launching Battlefield, this helps disable it if a third-party application is causing the instability.
Step below in-game graphics settings. Content: if your system is under heavy load or your graphics card is being pushed to its limits, it can sometimes trigger driver internal errors. Launch Battlefield and immediately navigate to the graphics settings. Reduce several demanding settings, such as texture quality, shadow quality, anti-aliasing, post-processing effects, and overall resolution. Start with preset options like medium or low and test if the error persists. Gradually increase settings one by one to identify which specific setting might be causing the instability. If the error stops appearing,
Step: perform a clean graphics driver reinstallation. Do content: a standard driver update might not always remove all traces of previous or corrupted driver files. For a more thorough fix, perform a clean driver uninstallation using display driver uninstaller to download boot your into safe mode and run the tool to completely remove all display driver remnants from your system. After the uninstallation, restart your computer normally and then proceed to install the latest graphics drivers downloaded in step as a fresh installation. This ensures no conflicting driver files are present.